So here we are with the salt. I've got roughly 120 grams of salt, Sarka salt, mixed in with 2 nips of Gentleman Jack. And so I need to roast this at 150 degrees Celsius, which is a bit over 300, for long enough for all the Jack to dissolve. So here we go. So here is the Jack's Old Pepper sauce that's got 60 mils of Gentleman Jack, 150 mils of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of Dujon Mustard, 1/4 cup of thickened cream, and 1 teaspoon of green peppercorn in brine drained. So I'm just bringing this to a simmer here and then reducing it to a low heat for about 3 or 4 minutes and occasionally stirring. You can certainly smell the alcohol in there big time. So here's the bad boy Cattleman's cut, or as the Yanks call it, a Cowboy Steak. So I've seasoned this with the Jack Daniel's salt that I previously just made on here. And so we need to get this bad boy up to 45 degrees Celsius before we do a nice searing. So here we go on indirect heat. Here I'm searing the steak on a hotter, lower level of the Weber Smoky Mountain to get a nice crust. Now here's this little beauty straight after the searing, and the best thing you can do now is leave the steak for 5 to 7 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute from the middle of the steak. So here we are with the final Cattleman's cut, aka Cowboy Steak as the Yanks call it. So sauce is done, steak's done. Now it's time just to enjoy and eat this bad boy. Well, now for the great litmus test, actually eating it. I'm not just saying this is bloody great, especially the peppercorn, the green peppercorns. That's superb. I never would have thought to put them on a steak, but it's beautiful. With this mixture, you can certainly taste the 60 mils of Gentleman Jack. But yeah, no, a beautiful mixture, and geez, I'll be cooking this for the rest of my life. It's bloody awesome. So cheers, big ears. So finally, here's the obligatory food porn shot where we have this bad boy Cattleman's cut in all its 4K Ultra HD glory.